Ian, what are you playing with?
The base.
What do you have in your hand?
A baby duck.
Baby and a gorilla.
Ah.
Oh, can you give the baby a snuggle and a pat pat? Oh. Don't do that. That's not nice. No. That's not how you play with babies. Okay? You be nice to them. Here you go. Do you want to give her a ride? Does she want to go in the tent?
No.
Oh, you better give her a snuggle. She can sit there. Okay, give her a ride. Oh, give her a kiss. Can she have a kiss? Oh, snuggle, pat, pat, pat. Oh, good boy. That's nice.